everybody, I've got my clock here, and hopefully you've got either a clock that you've made or one that you can use that you can move the hands on. We're going to have a go at making some times together. So I'll say a time and I'll make it on my clock face, and then you make it on your clock face, and we'll see if we have got it the same. We've got the same time. So remember that the long hand, the big hand rather, the big hand is, we call it the minute hand, and the small hand is the hour hand. So the small hand is what hour of the day it is. And remember, when the big hand points to the 12, it's o'clock. And when the big hand points to the 6, it's half past. Because if we chop this clock face in half, we know that that hand would have moved halfway around the clock face. Are you ready for your first one? Let's start with 9 o'clock. Can you all make 9 o'clock on your clock face? 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Think about o'clock. Where does the big hand need to be pointing to for o'clock? And it's 9 o'clock, so 9 is the hour. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, does yours match mine? Excellent, well done, super start. Okay, we're going to do 2 o'clock. Off you go. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. Think about for o'clock where the big hand needs to point, and it's 2 o'clock. So where does the small hand need to be? The little hand needs to point at the. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Does yours match mine? Excellent, well done. 2 o'clock. Right, let's do 6 o'clock. You ready? 6 o'clock. Don't be tricked. Don't be tricked by this one. 6 o'clock. So think about where the big hand needs to point to and where the small hand needs to point to. So it's 6 o'clock. So the hour is 6. So just remember, the little hand is the hour hand. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. 6 o'clock. It makes a straight line right down the middle of the clock face. So yours should match mine, with the big hand being pointing at the 12 for 6 o'clock. Well done. Okay, ready for a trickier one? Let's do 3:30. 3:30. Can you do 3:30? So this time you need to think about where the big hand needs to be pointing to for half past. Half past. And it's 3:30. So 3 is the hour. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Did you get it right? Well done if you did. If you remembered, the big hand needs to point at the 6 for half past, and it's 3:30. So the small hand would point in, it would actually be pointing a little bit past the 3, because it's not 3 o'clock anymore, it's 3:30. So half an hour has gone by. So it does start to move along, but don't worry about that too much. Okay, let's have another go. Let's do 10:30. Can you do 10:30? Off you go. I'm going to do it as well. Think about where your hands need to be pointing to for 10:30. Have you got it? So the big hand needs to point at the, and the small hand points to the. Should we check if ours match? There we go, 10:30. So the big hand is pointing to the 6 for half past. Oh, just broken that one. For half past, and it's 10:30. So the small hand is pointing at the 10. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do 1:30. Off you go, 1:30. So I've got it. My big hand is pointing to the, and my little hand is pointing to the. Should we see if they match? Ready? 1:30. 3, 2, 1. Have you got the same as me? So it's 1:30. So our big hand's pointing down to the 6, and it's 1:30. So our little hand should be pointing to the 1. 1:30, because 1 is the hour of the day. It's 1:30 or 1:30. Well done. That was really good a really good go at that, everybody. Super job.